Hello besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious Kings. I'm super excited to have you here. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. You are so welcome. Please do well to subscribe. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to add your phone screen to your videos, as you can see showing on my screen. Yes, I'm going to be teaching that in this tutorial, so you don't want to skip this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Do this so that YouTube's algorithm would push this video to more people who would be interested in getting this information you are getting. Okay guys, let's dive in.
So guys, to do this you have to open your CapCut app. Once you tap on open, you import whichever video you want to add. For me, I want to add this screen recorded video. So once I tap on it, I'm just going to scroll through the video and I'm going to delete this CapCut that's showing at the end. Then I'm going to come back and I'm also going to scroll through the options I have down below and I'm going to tap on stickers. Now once I come to these stickers, I'm going to scroll through the options I have over here and then I'm going to tap on, there is an icon that has this computer stuff, so I'm going to tap on it. This one that has this phone look-alike effect, I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to click on the effect I want. Now once I tap on it, I'm just going to resize it for it to fit in my screen size. Okay, so I actually forgot to give it the aspect ratio I want, so I just had to quickly give it the aspect ratio I wanted. Then I'm going to go ahead to still resize this phone screen feature to make it fit in to my video, that's my screen recorded video or whichever video I'm trying to place in the phone screen. So yeah, once that's done, you just elongate this effect, drag it down to fit into the length of the video wherever you want it to be. So guys, that's basically how to do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. You basically go ahead to export your video. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Precious Kings. See you in my next tutorial.